So, hello guys, wait. You have a same problem. You write English, you understand English, you read English, but when it times to speak English, you just say, I don't know English. I don't know English. Why? If you have a same problem, please watch this video till the end because you are gonna get answered. What is the problem? Why you just say after knowing those things, you just say I don't know how to speak English. I don't know English. Why you just say? Do you know, my friend? I want to tell you. So, my friend, you are the not alone. There are so many people. They just say I'm an English medium student. I know how to write very well. I know how to read as well. I'm able to understand English, but I'm unable to speak English. Why? Because do you know why? Because where you study in the school you are gonna, there nobody speaks English. Even your teacher don't speak English. Your teacher don't speak English. So that's a reason you are unable to speak. They just say you have to read English, you have to write English, and they suggest you have to watch something in English. You do everything except speaking. Do you know why? Because there's a one reason. I'm telling about writing. I'm telling about writing. Your teacher often write you something, right? You have to jot down and you start writing down, right? Not one time, not two times, multiple times. So that's why you're able to improve your writing section. And second thing, I'm telling about reading. In your school, your teacher just say you have to stand and start reading. So you read, you just take book and start reading, right? Not one time, not two times, multiple times. You just keep doing every single day. So that's why you are able to read book. Yeah, you are interested to read book. That's why your reading is amazing. And third, that is listening. You just say I like listening something in English. You start listening anything, podcast, conversational videos, English news. You keep watching. You train your ear. You train your ear to understand English. So that's why you're able to understand English. But when it's time to speak English, you just say I don't know. Why? Because you don't train your mouth to speak English. That's a problem. For writing, you train your hand how to write and your mind as well. And second thing, when you listen something, you train your ear to understand English. So that's what you are able to understand English. And second, sorry, third, what was that? What was that? I just forget. Oh wait, what was that? Listening, writing, and reading. Yeah, I'm telling about reading. You read something, stories, anything else in your class. That's where you're able to read as well. But for speaking, you never train your mouth to speak. That's the problem, guys. You're unable to speak English, and that time you just say, I don't know English. You know English, my friend, but you say you don't know English. Why? Because of not speaking English. So, my friend, if you want to speak English, so you have to train your mouth. Yes, you heard me right. You have to train your mouth to speak English. You have to open your mouth, you have to make sentences, you have to practice every single day, and then it is possible to speak English. You know very well, if you didn't listen something in English, so if it is possible to understand English, not never, right? Initially time you faced problem, second time, third time, and gradually you started learning and you started understanding English. So same thing also happens to speak. For speaking something, you have to open your mouth. It is possible to speak English. So, my friend, please open your mouth. Speak something in English. You have to open your mouth if you want to improve your English. Yes, that's a problem. You have to train your mouth. And second question, how to train my mouth to speak English? You have to make sentences in English. How even you do one thing which is very very common, and most of people do that. When I was a beginner, I did it as well. While writing, try to repeat, try to speak up. Whatever you are writing, just try to read out loud. And furthermore, try to make at least 5 and 6 sentences in front of the camera, yeah, in front of the cell phone. Why? Because you can reduce your fearness. Because you just say, I have a very bad voice. Whenever I speak, my English is very bad. Whenever I speak, I feel it is very, disgusting voice. I don't like listening my voice. Why? Because you don't know how to speak English. Initially, you are not the one which you are feeling, which problems you are facing. There are so many people. Initially, type each and every people have to face this problem. Not you, not me, each and every people. Yes, you heard me right. And I want to say one more thing, as I told you. At the same time, you can reduce your fear. You can cut down on your fear. So don't you think speaking English in front of the mirror, in front of the cell phone, amazing for you? You will get confidence and you can see how you're pronouncing words, how to improve your pronunciation. So you are killing many birds with one stone. And one more thing, you are the one, you just say, I don't have a time. I'm so busy. I'm working. I'm totally busy in my education. I'm totally busy in my house chores work. But you just say, I want to pick up English. I want to learn English. So please stop making lame excuses. Stop bluffing. Stop squandering your time. You have time, but you just waste your time. My friend, you just say, I have a problem in my life, and I want to say, life is a roller coaster. Not for you, not for me, for each and every people. For billion people as well. I'm telling about those people who are very richest in the world. They have also problem. Who are very poor, they have also problem. So don't say you have a problem. She doesn't have problem. He doesn't have problem. Each and everybody has a problem. That's why we can call it. That's why it is called life, right? So please take your time, learn English, speak something in English, and then it is possible to improve your English. So I told you what to do. First of all, whenever you write anything, try to read at the same time. Second, you have to speak out loud while writing. And third, try to explain things in English. How, whatever you can see surrounding yourself, whatever you can see, just try to explain everything in English if you truly need English. In this way, you're able to speak English. In this way, you're able to learn English. Really, guys, one more thing, each and every people starts from scratch. Each and every people starts from zero. Really. So why not you and each and every people takes first step, and then they take another step and another and another. So that time they become a good speaker. So you have to take your small step. You have to take your, first step. What is that? You have to explain things in English. You're able to do that. I'm damn sure nobody can stop you to speak English language. That is the way to learn English. That is a real thing to improve English. And I told you, you have to explain things in English. How? You can see so many things surrounding me, right? You can see so many things behind me. Just try to explain things in English. What to do? You have to just explain in English. There is a wall. There is a green wall. There is a purple wall. There is a couch behind me. There are so many pillows on the couch. I am sitting behind the couch. There are flower pots. There are two flower pots. There are switchboard. I'm recording my video. I'm talking to myself. I'm learning English. Just try to pick sentences in English and speak up. Open your mouth, say something. If you don't speak, if you don't explain things, it is impossible to learn English. So you have to open your mouth, you have to speak in English. So please speak and learn English if you truly need English. If you are crazy for English, you are hunger for English. You are engrossed about English, you are zeal about English, you have to take your first step, you have to take your small step, and then it is possible. You are the one, you just say, I want to become a great speaker. So it is impossible to use your baby step, your small step, and then you can take your big step. You're unable to pick up small stone, so how you can pick up a big stone? It is impossible. You just say, I am able to pick up small stone. But my friend, why I'm telling you, if you pick up small stone, so you're used to picking up stones, so you're able to pick up big stone for a long time. You can hold it for a long time. So it is possible if you keep practicing, if you keep flourishing in this language. So I want to say, just keep speaking and learn English in a great way. And one more thing, you have to keep trying every single day. There is no need to break your consistency. There is no need to retain your there is no need to stop speaking. You have to keep speaking. Okay, see you guys. And thanks a lot for listening my video.